say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no whip. Body, 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 whip. Body, 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 it ain't no whip. You acting kinda shady. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing this hair. It is from Megalook hair. It is a 10-inch 13x4 frontal bob. It came packaged really nicely. It came with the hairnet. It came in this plastic bag. The wig is constructed very well. I didn't get any shedding when I was doing this wig. It also comes with an adjustable band already sewn in. It comes with about 3 combs and adjustable straps. The wig is also pre-plucked. I did go in and pluck it a bit more, but it does come with a natural hairline. The first thing I usually do with my wigs before I go in plucking is spray the hairline with water. This is just loosening up the knots. I didn't bleach them, I just used makeup to tint them, but spraying it with water really does help the hair just pluck out easier. I then pluck the hair in sections. I'm splitting the hair into a part in the front, and then I just pluck right behind that part. I do this further back until I get to where I like it to be. I just like to pluck it to get a little more natural. I also went in with my hot comb just to push it back. The hair was very soft and very full, so it did kind of just fall, and I didn't have clips, so I went in with the hot comb just to push it back. After I finish plucking the wig all the way around, I like to part it in the middle. This just helps me to flatten it out with the hot comb even more. First, I usually just spray it with a little bit of water, and then I just hot comb it down. This is just to get the wig laying flat. That way, once I put it on, it's even flatter. Before I went in with my hot comb, I did go in and straighten this wig a bit more, just because from sitting in the bag during packaging, it did get a little bit of a bump in it, and I just wanted to straighten it out and then bump the ends later. Now I'm just putting on the wig. As I said before, the wig did come with an elastic band already put in, so that's why you see me pushing it back like that. Before I go in and start gluing the wig, you always want to cut down your ear tabs. I just cut mine straight back with scissors. I don't use a razor just because I feel like it's a little bit harder to use. I then start by cutting the lace into sections. I've never done this before. This was literally my first time, and I was just doing it because I see a lot of people do it, and it does make it easier.
Then I go in and clean my edges up with some alcohol. This is just to get away the makeup and the oil. I only use freeze spray because I don't wear my wigs long. I'm not trying to wear my wig for 3 weeks. I only wear it for literally a week and then I take it off. Oh my gosh. Excuse my nails. I know they look terrible. I need to take them off. But we're going through a crisis right now. Like, all the nail shops are closed. What are we supposed to do? Once I finish gluing it down, I go in and I get all the crust from literally the spray just dripping down off of my edges. I know it looks crazy right now, but it will be laid in the end. I promise. Like, look at this. See? All it takes is a little bit of makeup, just a little powder that's your complexion, and your lace will literally look laid. Also, this wig was pre-cut pretty nicely. I just had to trim it a little bit just to give it a more blunt look. That's just the way I like it to look. You don't have to do this. I feel like this is self-explanatory, but I'm just bumping the ends because I didn't want them to be so straight. This part is totally essential. I literally just use a little bit of jam gel, and that's why you see the smoke coming up from the hot comb like that. But this is how you get your wig to literally lay. Like, it is flat. It looks like it's coming out of my scalp, honey. Y'all, look at this hair. Like, it was literally only $66. Like, you can't beat that. And it got to me in literally 2 days. Like, come on. And this is pretty much the finished look. If you like this hair review, please like, comment, and definitely subscribe. This look was really easy. This hair is very nice, very soft, and very shiny. Check out Megalook hair if you're interested in getting this look. This wig was literally so affordable. So yeah, drop a comment, drop a like, and subscribe. What else are you gonna do?